Okay, let's just get right into it. The final week before your icse Class 10 board exams is here. It is absolutely high stakes, the pressure is on, and we've got the urgent strategic plan you need to completely crush it. So, does this look familiar? The clock is ticking, the syllabus feels like it's a mile long, and you just find yourself staring at your books, not having a clue where to even start. Trust me, that feeling of your mind going completely blank, it's incredibly common right about now. Your parents, your teachers, literally everyone is probably reminding you that the boards are here. Yeah, we get it. The pressure is real. But you know what? Panicking is not going to get you many marks. A clear, solid game plan will, and that is exactly what we are going to build together in this explainer. All right, let's get straight to the core strategy. Forget about just randomly studying whatever feels right. This is a structured, day-by-day battle plan. It's designed for maximum focus and efficiency, especially when every single minute really counts. Okay, here it is, your 6-day schedule. Now you probably notice we're giving 2 full days to physics. So why are we doing that? Well, it's super dense with concepts and numericals that, let's be honest, need that extra time to really sink in. Then we're going to move right through chemistry and biology. Day 5 is all about your social sciences, and day 6, that's dedicated entirely to computer applications, a subject where you can score crazy high with some focused last-minute practice. Now, here's what makes this plan so powerful. It's what you do every single day. So along with whatever main subject you're focusing on, you must, and I mean this is non-negotiable, spend 1 hour on mathematics and 1 hour on English language. This is going to keep your problem-solving skills sharp and all those grammar rules fresh in your mind. Don't skip these. So, you've got your daily schedule locked in, but what if I told you there's a kind of secret weapon, a strategy that can give you a massive edge before you even write a single word on your answer sheet? 15 minutes. What can you really do in 15 minutes? I mean, you could scroll on your phone, you could worry about the paper, or you could use those first 15 minutes of reading time to practically guarantee yourself some extra marks. So, how do you do that? Okay, this is the crucial point. We have to completely redefine what that reading time is for. It is not for just passively reading every single question. No way. It's an active window for strategic planning and, if you're not going to believe this, for actually solving parts of the paper before you can even write. This slide just lays it out perfectly, doesn't it? This standard approach is what most people do. They just read the whole paper, they get stuck on that unseen passage, and they end up feeling way more stressed. The smart approach? It's a completely different game. It's an active, mark-scoring strategy right from the very first second. Here is exactly how you pull it off. First, just skip the comprehension passage. Seriously, it's a total time sink. Go straight to the 10-mark grammar section and solve it all in your head. Boom. Just like that, 10 marks are secured. Then, you use the rest of the time to read your literature and composition questions, and you start planning your answers. You're thinking about the key points, the structure, the quotes you're going to use. So when the bell rings for you to start writing, you're not starting from zero. You're just putting down the amazing plan you already made. You've got the schedule. You've got the cheat code for the start of the exam. Now let's talk about protecting all those marks you've worked so hard for by avoiding the simple, silly mistakes that can cost you big time. You know, the honest truth is, a huge number of marks are lost, not because you don't know the answer, but because of poor exam strategy and just messy presentation. We call these unforced errors, and the good news is they are completely avoidable. Let's break down these fatal flaws. First up, messy presentation. I mean, think about it. If the examiner can't read it, they can't mark it, so just keep it neat. Second, ignoring word limits. They are looking for quality answers, not a novel. Be concise. Third, bad time management. You got to allocate time per section before you start, and you have to stick to it. Finally, simple grammar and spelling mistakes. That last 10-minute proofread isn't a suggestion. It's where you can easily save yourself 3 to 4 marks. Okay, we've covered the main parts of a playbook. So let's bring it all together for your final push and really lock in that winning mindset. So here it is, your entire strategy on one slide. It's that simple. First, the 6-day plan gives you structure. Second, the 15-minute cheat code gives you an immediate head start. And third, avoiding those simple presentation and timing mistakes protects all the hard work you've put in. And really, this is the bottom line. Everybody is working hard this week, but the students who are going to come out on top are the ones who work smart. They aren't just reading. They're using that 15-minute window to actually score marks. They aren't just studying randomly. They're following a precise 6-day plan. They don't waste any energy on panic, they just execute a winning strategy. You have the playbook now. You know exactly what you need to do each day, you know how to start every exam with an advantage, and you know what mistakes to look out for. The only thing left to do is to go execute. Go get it done. And hey, if this explainer helped you, just imagine what else we can break down together. For more strategies just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, go ace those exams.